Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at a machine that's stirring a lot of buzz in aviation circles. The 2025 Pilatus PC-12 Pro, dubbed by many as the fighter jet of the civilian skies. While technically still a turboprop, this new model has taken such a leap in design, performance, and capability that it's being compared to modern light combat aircraft in both aesthetics and presence. Starting with the exterior, the PC-12 Pro is a total head-turner. Pilatus has taken its iconic airframe and sharpened every detail, with a more aerodynamic nose cone, redesigned winglets, and composite materials that cut weight without sacrificing durability. The new stealth-inspired design doesn't just look fast, it is fast. The engine intake and exhaust geometry have also been reshaped, giving the aircraft a far more aggressive, military-style appearance. New paint schemes, including matte black, gunmetal, and tactical gray, reinforce its fighter-like vibe. Whether it's parked on a private airstrip or lifting off a remote gravel runway, it looks like it means business. Underneath that sleek exterior is a beast of an engine. The latest Pratt & Whitney P6 E67XP, capable of delivering 1,200 shaft horsepower. This enables the PC-12 Pro to cruise at speeds up to 330 knots and climb with impressive authority. It's agile, responsive, and quiet for a turboprop with a range pushing 1,900 nautical miles. Whether flying high-altitude missions or short-field takeoffs, this aircraft delivers top-tier versatility. Thanks to its rugged landing gear and short takeoff and landing performance, it handles grass, gravel, and unprepared runways like a military scout plane. Step inside, and things shift from tactical to luxurious. The cabin is a masterpiece of Swiss precision, designed once again with input from BMW Design Works. The PC-12 Pro features next-level noise insulation, adjustable LED ambient lighting, and high-end materials that wouldn't feel out of place in a Gulf Stream. Depending on the configuration, you can have seating for up to 10 passengers or opt for an executive layout with 6 recliner-style seats, fold-out workstations, and upgraded in-flight connectivity. The cargo and air ambulance versions are also improved, with faster conversion systems and greater capacity. In the cockpit, pilots are met with the Honeywell Apex Pro Avionics suite, bringing in advanced automation, touchscreen interfaces, synthetic vision, auto-throttle, and enhanced terrain awareness systems. Designed for single pilot operation, this flight deck feels like a fusion of fighter jet and business jet technology. Add in features like automatic emergency descent, digital flight control monitoring, and lightning detection radar, and you have one of the smartest cockpits in its class. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 PC-12 Pro starts at about $5.05 million for the base configuration. Load it up with the top-tier avionics, custom interior, and advanced systems, and you're looking closer to $7 million. But for a plane that blends military-style performance, executive comfort, and stall capability, it's hard to beat in terms of value. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, subscribe for more aviation content, and let me know in the comments if the PC-12 Pro has what it takes to be your go-to aircraft. Until next video,